Hello everyone, and welcome once again to this your channel. In case you don't know me, I'm Lynette, the person behind this wonderful project that I call GretaWings. And with this tutorial, I want to teach you how to make this leader hat. You can use whatever yarn that you prefer, but on my case, I will use Symphonia brand yarn, and you can buy it on our website GretaWings.com. The colors that I used was green with white and red with white. You can use the colors that you like it. I will show you using red and white colored yarn, and also we will need a super finer yarn just for these details, and on my case I will use Eulalie brand yarn. Also, you can find it on our website GretaWings.com. For Symphonia brand yarn, I will use 2.5 mm hook. Also, we need scissors and a wool needle. And that's it. This is all the materials that we will need. If you are ready and you want to do it, let's start. We will start using white colored yarn, and on round 1 we will make a magic rain and then 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You can close the magic rain, put some mark, and on round 2, working in a spiral, we will make 6 increase. 1 single crochet, 1 more in the same place, and we already have 1 increase. We will continue doing increase until finish this round with 12 points. On round 3, we will make 12 single crochet. 1, 2, and we will continue doing single crochet until finish this round. On round 4, we will make 6 decrease. You need to make this. And now 6 decrease. One decrease. 2, 3, 4, 5, and in the last decrease we will change to red colored yarn. Start the decrease. Now you can cut this yarn and make the union with red colored yarn. Make the union for secure. And after that, you can finish this single crochet, this decrease. And on round 5, we will work only taking the front loops. We will repeat 3 times, 1 single crochet and 1 decrease. Sorry, 1 single crochet and 1 increase. One single crochet and now 1 increase. And we will repeat the same 2 times more. 1 single crochet, 1 increase. One single crochet, and 1 increase. And we already finished this round with 9 points. And now you can hide the threads. And on round 6 we will make 9 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, and we will continue doing single crochet until finish this round. On round 7 we will start with 2 single crochet, 1 and 2, and now 1 increase. We will repeat 2 single crochet and 1 increase 2 times more. We will finish this round with 12 points. On round 8 we will start with 3 single crochet, 1, 2, and 3, and now 1 increase. We will repeat 3 single crochet and 1 increase 2 times more. We will finish this round with 15 points. On round 9 we will make 15 single crochet, 1, 2, and we will continue doing single crochet until finish this round. On round 10 we will start with 4 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and now 1 increase. We will repeat the same 2 times more, and we will finish this round with 18 points. On round 11 we will start with 2 single crochet, 1 and 2, and after that 1 increase. We will continue repeating 2 single crochet and 1 increase until finish this round with 24 points, 6 repetitions in total. On round 12 we will make 24 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, and we will continue doing single crochet until finish this round. And in the last single crochet on this round we will change to white color yarn. In the last single crochet, start the single crochet with red color yarn, but finish using white color yarn. Secure. And that's it. On round 13 we will make 24 slip stitch, but this time taking the back loops only. Taking the back loop, 1 slip stitch, 2, 3, and we will continue doing slip stitch taking the back loops only until finish this round. And in the last round, the round 14, we will make 24 single crochet taking the back loops only, but we will take the both loop, the white and red one, at the same time, and will be better. If you want to take only one, it's okay, but I will take both. One single crochet. Oh, at the same time you can hide this thread. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we will continue doing single crochet until finish this round. And also you can hide this thread like the one color thread. And that's it. When you finish, you can cut the yarn leaving enough yarn only for clothes now using a wool needle. And pay close attention and you can see how I do that. We will make this detail using a super finer thread. 1 mm thread will be okay, and the color white. Pay close attention and you can see how I do this. And this is the result after put that details. Is up to you, you can do it or not, or you can make another detail. And also you can make a lot of hat like this one and decorate your home. Also your tree is some idea that I give you. Then I hope and you like this tutorial, and if it's like that, leave me your like and your comments. I really appreciate it, and that support this wonderful project. And if you haven't subscribed yet on this channel, I invite you to do it and activate the bell, and you will receive notification every time that I upload a new video. Thanks a million for watching this one to the end. Until next Amigurumi, bye bye.